You can make $250 repeatedly by playing games and finishing simple activities on your smartphone using this fresh profit-making app. What's excellent is that if PayPal isn't available in your region, you can still receive payouts from this app through various gift cards, such as PUBG Mobile, Free Fire, Google Play, Amazon, eBay, Spotify, and Netflix gift cards, among others. I will also reveal a special trick to earn 10 times more money than others, so stick around till the video's end. Alright, please like this video. Let's begin with the first step, which is to navigate to today's new profit-making app called Firebucks. I will provide a link to Firebucks in the video's description and the pinned comment. You can install the app using that link, and this is what your app will look like on your smartphone. This app is tailored for you to make money with play-to-earn games on a mobile platform. For our upcoming videos, please comment below whether you use a smartphone, a laptop, or a desktop to earn money online. Alright, open Firebucks, and it will prompt you to log in using Google or your Gmail account. After signing up, this is how Firebucks' dashboard will appear. As you can see, you'll get 50 coins completely free as a sign-up bonus on Firebucks, which you can later convert to cash, which is fantastic. Now, you are on the app's homepage, and you can see several options here, which I will explain one by one. However, our focus today will be to make money with play-to-earn games and by completing simple tasks. The great thing is that this app is accessible in almost all countries globally. For our future videos, please comment your country's name below so I can create more videos for you. Step number 2 is to make money playing games. I want you to click where it says Tasks, and that will bring you to a page where you will see various tasks for making money online and those who have made money by completing these simple tasks. To make money online playing games, all you have to do is click on the Play Games and Earn Money option right here. It will take you to this page where you can find a ton of games to play. For example, a ball sort puzzle can earn you over 1,000 coins, and a prison escape game can earn you over 5,000 coins, which is awesome. Just like this, there is an idle furry fishing game that can earn you over 5,400 coins. Then there is a Go Candy game that can earn you almost the same coins as the fishing game. And there are many games you can play to earn money online. Not only that, you can also install some social media apps here, like Offline, which will pay you 70 coins just for installing the app on your mobile device and signing up for it. You don't need to play any game. You don't even need to keep this app. Just install it, sign up, and boom, you will be credited with 70 coins. Now, I will show more similar apps like this in a minute, but for now, let me show you how you will earn money by playing these games right here. Let me select this game called Woody Sort, a ball sort puzzle, to show you an example of how to earn money online by playing these play-to-earn games. First, let's click on this game, and it will show you the levels you need to reach to earn a certain amount of money playing this game. The game is divided into 6 parts, and you will receive a total of over 1,000 coins for playing this game. When you complete the first 50 levels of this game, which is really easy to do, you will receive 14 gold coins. When you complete 100 levels, you will receive 25 more coins. After 250 levels, you will receive 39 more coins, and so on. One more important thing I want to focus on is the notes section under this chart. As you can see, this play-to-earn games offer is available only for new users, and you will be credited with the rewards in Firebucks within 24 hours. For example, once you complete the first 50 levels of this game, your reward of 14 gold coins will be credited to your Firebucks account within 24 hours from the time you complete your 50th level. To start earning money by playing this game, all you have to do is click on this blue Earn button at the bottom of this page. You will be redirected to install the app, and you can click on the Install Now button to install it on your mobile device. Then just start playing the game and complete different levels of this game. You will be credited your earnings to your Firebucks account. If you want me to show proof of withdrawal from Firebucks, then help me get over 300 likes on this video and comment down below Firebucks payment proof. Now, the third step is to earn some extra money online by completing some simple tasks. To do this, again, you have to go over to the homepage and select the Tasks button. Next, I want you to select the second option, Complete Surveys and Earn. That will take you this page, where you can find many different but simple surveys to complete and earn money online. These surveys are from 10 to 15 minutes long. and they are really very simple surveys to complete. So, as you can see, if you complete this 7-minute survey, you will be credited with 640 gold coins, which is really lovely. Now, if you want, you can also sort the available surveys from this settings icon on the top right corner. You can select the shortest surveys, the best matching surveys for you, and the best paying surveys here, and you can complete the same to get the best results. Let me open up this survey to show you the type of questions you need to answer to earn money here. As you can see in the beginning, they will ask you questions about your year of birth and some other personal information about yourself to match you with the best surveys. So let's select my year of birth from here, and then just click on this green arrow button. Next, they will ask you about your birthday month. So let me select the same from the months list here, and then you will need to select the exact date on which you were born. Let me choose it from here too. Now, they will verify all the details you entered related to your birthday by asking you your age at the moment, and the other surveys will also verify all the details that you entered in the survey. So, make sure you honestly answer all the questions of the surveys, and once you complete these surveys, you will be credited with the money to your Firebucks account. If you complete all the surveys shown here and run out of surveys, you can come over to the homepage again and select the Tasks button from there. Now, on this page, I want you to select the Answer Questions and Earn option from there. That's going to show you that this quick survey will unlock the top earning surveys for you. So just turn on this icon from here and press this Get Started button at the bottom. So the first question is about your gender. So let me select male from there, and I will press Continue on the bottom to proceed. Then you need to select your education level to get the top earning surveys. So let me select my education and continue to the next page. Now they are asking about your daily household purchasing decisions, and you can simply select the Share Decision Equally option from there and continue. After that, you will be asked about your employment status and many other related questions so that they can match you with the best and top earning surveys on this platform. So just answer all the questions in this survey. Some of them will be personal, and some of them will be general questions. Just answer them and complete this quick survey about yourself. And as soon as you complete it, you will be matched with the perfect and top earning surveys available for you on Firebucks that you can complete and earn money online. Now, step number 4. There are 3 ways to earn 10 times more money than others. And the first one is to log in every day on Firebucks Play or the app, because as you can see, you can receive daily login rewards here. So just click on this Check It button, and as you can see, I have received 20 bonus points for just logging in today. I will just click on the Collect button, and the same will be added to my Firebucks account. So the more active you are on Firebucks' app on a daily basis, the more free bonus money you will collect. The second bonus tip is to watch rewarded ads from here. So you can just watch some 15 to 30 second ads on Firebucks, and you can get paid 1 point for watching them. Let me just click on the Watch Ads button, and that's going to show me some random ad that I need to watch. Then I can close the ad, and I will be credited with 1 Firebucks point in my account. And now, the third and the highest earnings bonus trick is to click on this third icon at the bottom, and that's going to take you to this page, where you can see that you can invite others to the Firebucks app, and you can earn a 20% referral commission of their earnings forever. So here, you can see your referral link, which you can copy from here by clicking on your link, or you can directly click it. Share it across different social media platforms by pressing this Share button over here. For example, if your referral earns $100, you will be paid $20 for free as a referral bonus for referring that friend. Once you earn a good amount of money on Firebucks, you can just click on this gift icon at the bottom, and you can withdraw your earnings through different gift cards available here, such as Google Play gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and so on. Once again, I will leave a link to the Firebucks app in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. You can click that link to install the app on your device. Firebucks is available only for Android at the moment I am creating this video, but in the future, it may also be available for iOS users. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.